How to delete private server on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can delete a private server on Roblox. Keep in mind that you can't actually delete a private server, but you can deactivate it and reactivate it later if you want. So here's how you can do that. First of all, go to your browser and then go to roblox.com, log into your account. Now find the game associated with the private server that you want to deactivate. Scroll all the way down and then go to the Service tab, and in the private server, you will see your server name. Now simply scroll down from this page and tap on the three dots next to it and tap on Configure. If your server has a subscription price, you will see an option to turn it off. To deactivate the server, toggle the Allow Joining option to the off position, and this will make the server inaccessible to you and others. The server is now deactivated. You can reactivate it anytime by toggling the Allow Joining option back on. And when it's inactive, neither you nor anyone you have added to this server will be able to join. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.